Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video or today's session, I'm going to explain how to use environment variable in AWS Lambda and how to access them inside your code. So it's very useful. ये जो वीडियो और जो भी concept है we are going to learn through in a Lambda service. Environment variable, what exactly it does and how we are going to use. Actually, environment variable, you can store any configuration like API keys, database URL, any setting without any hard code in the your Lambda code. So you can easily access, and there is no any big code or any complexity about environment variable. It's just so simple. We are going to I'm going to explain, and I'm also going to cover the lab. So let's start without. And with this concept, you can save so many configurations without any complexity. So let's go and create a lambda functions. Lambda functions, I am giving any demo lambda something name. Okay. I'm going to create a lambda with the Python, and let's create it. Lambda, guys, you already all are familiar about lambda, how we create and everything. Most of the functionality everyone know. So lambda is created. So default code is also there. Okay, wait. Okay, code is coming here. Now this is the code. Now what I am doing, I need to create a environment variable. So you can go here, configuration section. You can see the environment variable. Now what I am going to do, I want to define some regions. Pick any region for in a code. Most of the code you can define EC2 instance name. You can use a region. You can define something DynamoDB table name something. Okay, so right now, I will explain one by one. So as I said, na, you can here you can also see the definition. You can define environment variable as a key value pair that accessible from your code. तो आप कोड में जाके एक्सेस कर सकते हो. आपको कोड में हार्ड कोड या कुछ भी डिफाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, लेट्स गो एंड क्रिएट इट. नाउ मुझे जो भी अभी अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ रीजन जो भी है मैं मुझे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में या मेरे कोड में लगने वाला है वो रीजन आई एम गोइंग टू डिफाइन हियर. तो हम यही रीजन डिफाइन करेंगे जो हमें लैब में है. तो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस वन यूएस ईस्ट वन. ओके, इट्स सो सिंपल. ईस्ट dash one. See, creation of environment variable is very simple. Now see, it's done. There is no any complexity about creation. Now how I am going to use this same environment variable in my code now. Okay, let's I will show you. If you just scroll down a little bit, see, I am going to use same existing code. Just if you are going to use same same code or same sorry, if you are using the environment variable in your or accessing from your code, you have to use one more module which is import OS operating system, and this is the default or this is for best practice. I am going to add boto 3. Okay, that's it. Only you can only use OS, that is also enough to access the environment variable. So let's deploy. Only three import module I have done. Now what I have done, sorry, what environment variable I have created, we are going to refer here. A lambda handler already there. Now code we will add here. Okay, so let's return. We will keep the same. Now what I'm creating one variable, my variable. this lower is not functioning. Okay, variable. My variable is equal to, or my region also we can say, uh, region. Okay, ये ऑटो ले रहा है but still this is the same one. OS यहाँ पे module है. See, you can see here OS we are using the same module OS dot. Okay, environment and स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. क्या कर रहे हैं हम, रीजन जो हमने वहां पे डिफाइन किया है, रीजन सिंगल कोटेशन region. See, this region means whatever the configuration we have created in the configuration section. So it will access from here, and this value will store in my region variable. Okay. Now if you want to print, let me go and print it. Okay. Just this is enough. Or we can add something. Uh, mm, non sorry non dot output. Okay, so this is one, and so let's see. Now I have added, this is just a syntax or string I have added. You don't need it, we can just print it the my region also. So deploy. Okay, it's done. Now let me see. Okay, let me deploy one more time. Only two lines I have added to understand. I will explain some more items. Now deploy, go back and go to test section. Now हमें ये पे टेस्ट करके देखना है. तो जो टेस्ट इवेंट है, so we will use the same one. Don't need to modify right now and execute. Just do the test. Let's see. Failed. Why it is failed? Syntax error. It's saying the invalid syntax. Code error syntax. Why? One minute. Let me go to code. Single quotation. Let's do quotation. Oh, sorry. It's correct. You have forgot the comma. See, indentation is very matter in the code actually. You deploy, go back again, test. And one more test. Now it's execute. You can see the body code status. Now let's go to monitor and CloudWatch. I will show everything like how it is been accessing. Okay. Refresh one more time and go to logs. So you can see the logs timer also. This is UTC. Okay, let me go to local time zone. See, this is local time zone, and you can see the output. Non-prod output is equal to east, sorry, us dot east dot one. See, this is one second. Let me do and add some more एनवायरमेंट वेरिएबल। नाउ अभी यहाँ पे हमने सिंगल एनवायरमेंट वेरिएबल क्रिएट किया था, अभी मैं कुछ और ऐड कर देता हूँ। लेट स्टार्ट टाइम, start time I will mention 9 a.m. Sorry, start time. Then end time 17:00. I think 1 minute. I will go, and the line is not taking actually 1 minute. Which line is two? Bottom line is not taking. Go to configuration, edit, start time is equal to 9 and end time is equal to 17. Let me try to save now. Now saved it. Okay. Now I have created two more environment variables. I want to use those two in my code, or I want to access from my code. So code में what logic we have to define. Similarly, means I'm just trying to explain, और वो आउटपुट हमें लॉग्स में दिखना चाहिए, इसलिए वो what the code is very similar, same thing. My uh, okay, capital में I will mention start underscore time is equal to same os dot os is operating system, correct, and environment because it's a inbuilt module. हम यहाँ पे इनबिल्ट मॉड्यूल यूज कर रहे हैं टू एक्सेस एनवायरमेंट वेरिएबल. टेक्निकल टर्म में दिस इज द करेक्ट. व्हाट we are going to use inbuilt module which is os and single quotation start and time. See, it's done. Similarly for end time, see, same logic, there is no agar. If you have some instance id also, I will tell you, like instance here, see here, instance I will cover one lab for this one. It's very useful for instance also, like अगर आपके पास एक इंस्टेंस है और एक आरडीपी सर्वर और कोई भी डेटाबेस सर्वर है जो इंस्टेंस पे रनिंग है, और आपको वो बिजनेस आवर में ही चालू करना है और आफ्टर बिजनेस एंड वो बंद करना है, यानी कि मॉर्निंग 9 AM को स्टार्ट करना है और 5 PM को शट डाउन करना है without any manual task. You can do and automatic with the help of this code. I will explain later. But this kind of environment variable you can use and save the configuration. Right now I will remove this one and only we continue with these three environment variable. Now similarly I am going to print three items. See, नॉन प्रॉड यहाँ पे मैं मेंशन करता हूँ नॉन प्रॉड रीजन. it will be much better now. start time, ये तो स्ट्रिंग है इसलिए यहाँ कुछ इशू नहीं है. and deploy now. go back to test and do one more test, and it is showing the status code 200 bodies output is hello from the code. Go back to the logs. अगर यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहे आपको go back to, because every new 2-3 minutes अगर lambda execute हो रहा है तो logs will also will come into new screen. Let's see, now you can see the logic. You can see here this one and this one, this all are we have printed. हमने ये कुछ भी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेव नहीं किया है इन कोड. वी हैव एवरीथिंग केप्ट इट आउटसाइड द कोड, बट हम कोड से एक्सेस कर रहे हैं लैम्बडा से. सो दिस इज वेरी यूजफुल. ट्राई टू डू दिस लैब, इट्स वेरी यूजफुल. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी अबाउट एनवायरनमेंट वेरिएबल, प्लीज कमेंट ऑन दिस वीडियो, or whatever the query you can return on it, we will I will go through it and create a new video on it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to gain a new concept and new knowledge. Thanks.